Hi, welcome. I'm Lars Eric Robinson. My company is Larza Arts. All around artainment is my slogan. But anyway, today we're going to talk about how to create your cartoon characters. How to create cartoon art. Well, here I have, for example, this is a realtor, and she wanted to have a certain pose for a character. So before I finally come up with this piece, or even this piece, I did several different ideas on how to do her as a character, how to do it as a cartoon. So you could almost imagine her being in a cartoon strip, like this could be one cartoon strip. And what you would have to do to come up with a cartoon strip is, for example, you see the cartoon strips in the newspapers. They have standard strips out there with different boxes. Like, for example, here, you have to figure out where the speech bubble will be first. So we already came up with our character. We know how she looks already. You base this character, maybe we're going to call her Lila K, maybe, for example. Lila K. So here she is talking. And we can reuse the same frame over and over again. Like, for example, we could do the same face over here. She's talking to somebody. And we're just creating her face here a little bit. And she has the same hands on her. This is what I'm drawing from. Hey, we're all right. It's just one of my mannequins that fell down there. No big deal. Didn't mean to scare you guys. You all right? So she's talking to somebody over here. What is it, a baby? Mama. Yes, son. Mama. And then we could just use the same copy over again, if you can imagine that. Repeat it over here. We can reuse strips over and over again. Help me. Create a little atmosphere. You have a palm tree back there, for example, or something like that. Make it feel like they're in an environment. It gives you a little bit of idea how you create it. You have to come up with your character first, and then do the strip. And it's usually good if you don't have a good humor. Try to have someone out there help you create the humor. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a good day.